is for apple, crunchy and red. Tastes so sweet, that's what we said. B is for ball, bounce it high. Catch it quick, give it a try. C is for cat, soft and small. She loves to chase her little ball. D is for drum, boom boom beat. March along and move your feet. E is for elephant, big and strong, with a trunk that's super long. F is for flower, pretty and bright. It opens up in the morning light. G is for giraffe, tall and neat, eating leaves that are high to eat. H is for hat, put it on your head, blue, green, yellow, or even red. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold, chocolate or vanilla, both are gold. J is for jump, up and down, spin around and touch the ground. K is for kangaroo, hop, 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 bouncing around and never stop. L is for lemon, sour yet sweet, make a funny face when you eat. M is for moon, shining so bright, glowing softly through the night. N is for nest, up in a tree, little bird singing, happy and free. O is for orange, juicy delight, peel it and share, take a bite. P is for penguin, sliding on snow, waddle, waddle, off they go. Q is for queen, wearing her crown, smiling and waving all around. R is for rainbow, bright in the sky, red, green, yellow, flying high. S is for snake, slithering slow, hissing softly as it goes. T is for train, chugga chugga choo, all aboard, me and you. U is for umbrella when skies are gray, it keeps the raindrops all away. V is for violin, playing a song, sing with the tune and hum along. W is for whale, deep in the sea, singing songs so happily. Ips is for surfing, ding ding ding, listen to the music it can bring. Y is for yo-yo, up and down, spinning fast, round and round. Z is for zebra, black and white, running fast, what a sight. We learned our letters A to Z. You're so smart, it's clear to see. Clap your hands, give a cheer. Let's sing our ABCs again next time.